Hello, this is going to be a super quick tutorial on how to create a vertical promo video for a mobile app or a responsive website without needing any experience in 3D animation or editing. We'll use a website that I built myself, which is called Promogen, along with a free Canva account to edit the final video. The website idea came from me wanting to be able to create Blender-style animations by just dragging and dropping an image into the browser. And now you can. Here's the video we will be creating today. First step is to create the actual animations. So first, open the browser and go to promogen.app. Record your mobile screen showcasing the app, or take some screenshots. If the videos are in another format than MP4, be sure to convert them to MP4 before proceeding. Then create a free account and upload a screenshot or a screen recording of your app to the website. From there, you can choose any animation you'd like. Customize the background color, the lighting, or the phone model, and match it to your own style. Then you hit export. I'm exporting in HD to make it a bit quicker, but you can choose 4K if you prefer. I exported 5 different clips, each with different screenshots, screen recordings, and animations. Some focus on close-ups, and some focus on the full phone. So you can choose the vibe you want for your promo. Next is time to edit. So we head over to Canva, create an account, and start a new mobile video project to get a vertical video format. Open the clips you exported from Promogen. Now it's time to add the music. Canva has some free tracks available, but honestly, this part is a bit tricky. Finding a good free song is probably the hardest step. If you've got a small budget, I recommend looking at a royalty-free library, such as Artlist or Epidemic Sound. But since we're keeping it cheap in this tutorial, I just picked a decent free track. Then I start adjusting the videos, both the length and the speed, and try to match the cuts of the videos to the beat of the music. Then I add some text. You can describe different features or sections of the app in each clip. Then I add some simple animations to make it feel more dynamic. Finally, a closing slide. I use a simple background and drop in some App Store logos so the viewers know where they can download the app. You can just Google app download logos. They're easy to find. That's it. All of this took about 30 minutes. If you've done this the old way, animating in Blender, editing in Premiere Pro, it could have taken days. Thanks for watching, I hope you learned something, and if you have any suggestions for the website or want more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments.